guys, today I've got a very exciting video today. It's a special treat, and I'm going to be drifting this remote control car. Sorry if you can see that the roof is smushed, but just ignore that if you can, because it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to find a good place for you, and we can get started. I'll just put you right there. Let me make sure that's, yeah, you should be able to see the car drifting around in the street. So that'll be good. I'm just going to sit here right next to you, and you can enjoy it very much. Right, so let me put it down here. And now, the fun begins! I crash it a lot too though sometimes, so just try to ignore that also. Just enjoy the drifting, okay? These kind of cars are very special. Oh, come on. Yes, it's not. Woo! That was epic. I'm gonna scream. Oh, that was epic. Okay, I really hope you're enjoying this video. I am right now. Yay! Oh, wow. Oh, this is awesome. Woo! Drift, drift, drift. No rocket. No rocket. Rocket, no. What are you doing? Sorry. No, rocket, don't touch.
Pictures or videos?
I'm taking video.
Oh, cool. Oh, sorry.
Sorry, I have Rocket, my neighbor's dog, interrupting. Okay, anyways, let's get back to the drifting now. Whoa, 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 epic trip. Back, 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 back. Whoa! You went fast. Very fast. Whoa. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, let's go! Whoa, this is epic. Whoa, this is epic. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Back, 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 back. Beep, 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 beep. Whoa! You must have so much starting him up there. Whoa, whoa, what the heck? Oh my gosh. Darn it, I'm not. Down there. Here we are. Oh! Oh, no. Sorry. That's good. I'm like, I'll miss that. Okay, great. We're back in. Let's go. Woo! Oh, that was epic. Woohoo! That was so. Oh, here we go. Oh, epic. Okay, let's have them do donuts right in here. Alright, come on. We're gonna play over here so we can see donuts. Really nice. Really. And now start doing donuts. There he is. You see? He's doing donuts. Totally, bro. Totally doing donuts. He's totally doing donuts. And for some reason, he's not needing any pit changes, is he? What? Oh, here he comes. keep crashing. Oh, come on. Yay. Okay. Woo! That was epic. Woo! That was epic. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Oh, did you see him drift through that alley? Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Whoa, that was so epic. Whoa! Drift is so close. Bye. Dun, 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 dun. And oh, that was slow. Good thing we didn't get caught there. Oh, darn it. Whoa! That was insane. Alright, I'm gonna get out of this leaf pile. God! He keeps getting stuck. Very sorry about this. Hope you're enjoying this video, though. Whoa! That was epic. A drum release. Epic. Oh. Come on. Go. Yay. He's out. Here we go. Epic show in the front of the TV. Here he goes, doing down. Oh. What? Okay, well, I think we're going to end it with one final drift. Oh, no, that was horrible. Ready? Here's the one final drift. There you are. That's your watch. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. And I'll see you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's called The Racing. And I hope you enjoy your weekend. Well, yeah, I hope you enjoy your weekend because I just put this on YouTube right this second. Then it's Saturday, so that means if you watch it on Saturday, that means you should have a happy weekend watching this video. Okay, anyways, enough of that. Let's just end the video. Bye!